Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Time Machine. Today we are discussing about Astronomia Tourbillon Rose Gold. The Astronomia is the embodiment of 21st century ultra-high-end watchmaking and a globally recognized symbol of Jacob & Co. watchmaking expertise. A world first both in the boldness of its unprecedented concept and its entirely mechanical construction, the Astronomia has gone beyond impressive horological achievements to becoming an outstanding multidisciplinary engineering accomplishment. At the center of the Astronomia is an unprecedented four-arm movement. Attached to each arm is a novel complication. Two of the complications have earned patents because of their design and engineering. The other two are original works of art that highlight Jacob & Co.'s skilled craftsmanship. When combined, they contribute to a spectacle of moving objects that rotates and floats inside a spectacular sapphire crystal case. Jacob Arabeau, the founder of Jacob & Co., said the Astronomia was inspired by the universe and all the ideas and wonderment of celestial bodies. Since its introduction in 2014, the stars, the moon and planets take on a new wonderment and meaning with each new piece. Even as the Astronomia story continues, it has already earned its place in the world of haute horlogerie and extreme extravagance. The groundbreaking Astronomia four-arm vertical movement has proven to be a creative and technical watchmaking achievement. Each arm has a unique complication exclusive to Jacob & Co., a magnesium and hand-lacquered globe of the Earth, a spherical-shaped diamond with 288 facets known as the Jacob cut, a patented triple-axis tourbillon, and a subdial for the hours and minutes with a patented timepiece differential gear system. Each pair of opposing arms are perfectly calculated counterweights of one another, a testament to peerless materials engineering and watch movement design. Any variation of the weight would cause the movement to malfunction. Instead, this high complication and all its moving parts run effortlessly for all to see. The tourbillon was originally invented to provide improved timekeeping performance for a pocket watch. The Astronomia tourbillon brings this 200-plus-year-old complication to breathtaking levels of modern refinement and complexity. The triple-axis tourbillon of the Astronomia tourbillon is at the forefront of modern watchmaking. The delicately decorated cage encapsulates the balance wheel, hairspring, escape wheel and several other important components. Characterized by this open-worked cage, this outstanding tourbillon rotates on three axes simultaneously. It is a constellation of superbly finished components that, when expertly assembled and fine-tuned, allows the Astronomia caliber to keep accurate time throughout its 60-hour power reserve. A full rotation on the first axis takes exactly 60 seconds, as a nod towards the traditional single-axis tourbillon. The second axis of rotation requires 2.5 minutes to complete, while the third axis of rotation is made possible by the 10-minute, four-arm rotating platform of the Astronomia movement. This makes for a bold new way at how tourbillons can function when engineered with cutting-edge, ultra-modern technologies and timeless horological heritage in mind. The Jacob cut is a unique spherical gem exclusive to Jacob & Co. It is a distinctive work of innovation, creativity, and execution. The Jacob cut diamond starts out as a much larger rough diamond, up to twice the size as the finished product. The rough is first cut by machine into a spherical shape, near the size of the final diamond. Then the master gem cutter shapes the 288 facets. To be used in the Astronomia collection, the Jacob cut diamond must be completely round and weigh exactly as much as the other three satellites, time display, triple-axis tourbillon, magnesium globe. Another challenge is ensuring the precise dimensions of the facets, which is why the cutting process takes at least 2 weeks of dedicated, painstaking work. The Jacob cut is most recognizable on the Astronomia watch as a diamond that extends from one of the four arms of the vertical Astronomia movement. However, the cut has been applied on colored gemstones and placed in the dial in other ways. The globe of the Earth is made of magnesium coated with hand-painted blue lacquer and completed with rose gold continents. It is done in a way that ensures consistency in weight, as all 4 satellites must weigh exactly the same. The globe rotates every 30 seconds while traveling around the dial every 10 minutes. The Astronomia Tourbillon's case measures 50 mm in diameter and 25 mm in height, crafted from 18K gold. Every variation features 4 sapphire crystal windows installed throughout the side of the case, allowing for unobstructed view of the spectacular caliber inside. 2 18K rose gold lift-out rotating bows on the case back are used to wind the watch and set the time. The time display subdial of the Astronomia is driven through a differential system that allows it to always remain level and legible as it rotates with the movement's 4-arm platform across the front of the Astronomia. The Roman numerals on the skeletonized dial are hand-engraved and filled with black lacquer, while the hand-finished hands appear in gun blue metallic. Iconic gravitational triple-axis tourbillon. 50 mm 18K rose gold and sapphire crystal case. All 4 satellites constantly turn around the dial every 10 minutes. 288 facet Jacob cut diamond turning in 30 seconds. Magnesium globe turning in 30 seconds. Unique differential always keeps the time display in the correct 12/6 orientation, no matter where it is the rotation. Domed and curved, anti-reflective sapphire crystal. 2 18K rose gold lift-out rotating bows on the case back are used to wind the watch and set the time. Item number, at 100.40.ac.sd.a. Movement, exclusive Jacob & Co. Manual winding JCAM10, diameter, 40 mm, height, 17.15 mm, components, 365, material, titanium. Power reserve, 60 hours, frequency, 21 feet 600 inches vibe/H, 3 Hz, joules, 42, system, triple axis gravitational tourbillon, finishing, plate and bridges, hand angled and polished, flank draw, circular graining, polished sink, polished screws, barrel, circular graining, pinions, conical pinions, 4 mechanical ball bearing devices, flat balance spring. Functions, hours, minutes dial rotating in 10 minutes on the central axis, patented differential gear system, faceted spherical diamond rotating in 30 SEC on 2 axes, weight, 1 carat, 288 patented facets exclusive Jacob cut, magnesium lacquered globe rotating in 30 SEC on 2 axes, gravitational tourbillon cage rotating on 3 axes, first axis, in 60 SEC, second axis, in 2.5 minutes, third axis, central axis in 10 minutes. Case, 50 mm, thickness, 25 mm, material, 18K rose gold, sapphire apertures on sides, case back, 18K rose gold, bows, winding and time setting via 18K rose gold lift-out rotating bows at case back, skylayer front case, aventurine and 18K rose gold, crystal, unique domed sapphire with anti-reflective treatment, water resistance, 30 ISO 2281. Dial, magnesium dial, hand-angled and polished, lacquered indexes, hands, hand-finished gun blue. Strap and buckle, alligator, 18K rose gold folding buckle. Limited edition, 18 pieces, individually numbered pieces.